Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting both devices ready. On your iPad, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on, leaving the Bluetooth screen visible so you can watch devices appear. Now, take the Xbox controller and press and hold the Xbox button with the small pair buttons simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds until the Xbox light flashes rapidly. Once done, you've placed the controller into discoverable mode. This is essential because iPad only lists devices active. You'll now shift to the iPad and watch the Bluetooth list. Find the entry named Xbox Wireless Controller under Other Devices and tap it. Make sure to wait. Sometimes it shows connecting for several seconds before it reads connected. If the name doesn't appear, make sure nothing else is paired to the controller. Press pair again, move devices within a few feet, and toggle Bluetooth on the iPad off then on to refresh scanning. This clears transient state and improves pairing reliability. You finish by confirming the connection. Check Settings Bluetooth where the controller should show connected, then open a game that supports controllers to verify buttons and sticks. If controls are unresponsive, power cycle the controller by holding the Xbox button for 6 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode. This often clears stale connections. If problems persist, unpair other Bluetooth devices, ensure your iPad has the latest iOS, and retry. This resolves most compatibility or interference issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.